unboxing all new AirPods which have been purchased a couple of weeks ago, and these AirPods are very cool to use, and especially for users with an Apple phone. You're on site with AirPods on my hands. You can see this is the AirPod pouch in which the AirPods are inserted and clumped over there, and there is a push button over here which enables us to connect through Bluetooth on our iPhone. And yeah, now I'm going to open that. Yeah, there you go. You can see a green indicator light which tells us regarding the charging level. Now the green light indicates the charging is full, and yeah, that's very pretty looking. And there we have a charging port which can be charged by using a regular lightning connector of the regular iPhone. Yeah, now I'm going to bring my AirPods out of the box, out of the pouch. Yeah, here you go, beautiful looking AirPods. And there are some sockets inside the pouch, and these sockets help the AirPods to charge immediately. And of course, this pouch also works as a power bank. When the AirPods are put inside this pouch, they are automatically charged. You're on site with the AirPods in my hands. Yeah, we have two dots over here. These are sensors, and the top one is also a sensor, and the line, and these lines access the sound deliverers inside the ear perfectly. And this is a mic, the small dot, and the bottom we have a microphone over here. You can see that. And yeah, in the similar way we have another AirPod symmetrically. Yeah, now we are going to see how to insert the AirPods inside the pouch. Yeah, now I'm going to open the pouch first, and I took the left AirPod and I'm trying to fit it in the right hole. Yeah, I can't, and I'm putting it in the left one. Yeah, I'm done with my task. The inbuilt magnet attracts the AirPod automatically, and similarly find the right one also. I'm closing that. Yeah, now the AirPod started charging. Yeah, now we are going to see how to pair the AirPods with the iPhone. Yeah, now I'm enabling the Bluetooth and the iPhone. It's indicated with blue. And now I'm going to press the pair button on the AirPod case. Yeah, I'm going to open the case. As soon we got a pop-up on the iPhone, and now by clicking on connect, we are connected to iPhone, and we can see the charging levels of both the AirPods and the Air pouch, or the iPhone. Yeah, we can see the combined state of charging of both the AirPods on the pop-up on the iPhone. And when I remove one of the AirPod from the case, you can see the individual the charging status on the iPhone, both the left and right AirPod. And we can see the charging status of the case. Yeah, now we are going to check how my AirPods are connected to my iPhone. Go to settings. By moving to Bluetooth, we can see myself AirPods are connected over there. Yeah, now we are going to check the sound quality of the AirPods. Now I'm going to check that. Go to music, play some track. Yeah, it's playing on the iPhone speaker. And now switching to AirPods. Can hear some music on AirPods now. Yeah, it's playing and the quality is really good.
Yeah, it's really very good. Good output, good improvement. If I remove my AirPod, it's automatically paused again. I put it in my ear. Yeah, it's playing. Hi John, what's up? What's going on? Okay, okay, yes. Okay, okay. We will meet next week. Okay, bye.
Yeah, now by double tapping on the sensor on the AirPod, today's weather.
It's currently hazy and 82 degrees in Rajendra Nagar. Expect partly cloudy skies and hazy air conditions starting in the afternoon with mixed conditions for the rest of the day.
Yeah, now we are going to check some sensor settings which can be enabled by double tapping on the AirPod. On our mobile, go to settings, move to Bluetooth. Beside the connected word, we have an icon, icon. Moving to icon, we can see ample settings over there. We can disconnect our device, we can forget the device, and we can even rename our device. We can edit the name of the AirPod. Yeah, we can edit over here. We can type or scribble or edit the name of the AirPod. And we can even change the controls of each AirPod individually, like left and right AirPods. Clicking on left AirPod settings, by default Siri is enabled. We can even change the controls like play, pause, new track and previous track, and even off simultaneously for the right AirPod. They are similar, of course. Here we have one more setting called automatic ear detection. As we done before, like as we remove the AirPod from our ear, the music will be automatically paused. If we don't want such setting, we can even disable that, or if we like that, we can enable that. Beneath, one more setting known as microphone settings. By default, automatic switch AirPods is selected, and we can even move to always left ahead and always right AirPod. My better suggestion is to suggest the automatic switch AirPods is the best one. After my experience with these beautiful Apple AirPods, the sound clarity and the premium build quality is very good, and the premium looking, and this can be adoptable according to your budget. Of course, it's expensive but worthful. This is my close review of the Apple AirPods.
Hey guys, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.